What is going on, guys? We are back on the road and we're actually going to do something with the splitters. Like I said before, thank you to you guys. I appreciate every single one of you. I'm actually going right now. We're gonna take measurements of my rear corner splitters and I think my front splitter, because you guys are actually hitting up the person who made my splitters at Splitter by Bing right here. So you guys been hitting him up that you guys wanted what the white Maxima has, which is either the front splitter, the rear corners, or whatever it is that you guys want that I have. You guys hit him up and you tell him. So several people have hit him up and he actually doesn't have the template to do it. So right now I'm gonna go over there and he's gonna measure it. So when you guys ask for it, he can have it ready, make it, ship it out anywhere that you guys are at. So just come along and let's see what happens, see what he's working on, because I know he works on different cars every day and this and that, Type R's, Mustangs, Camaros, freaking even the Lexus, what is it, that luxury supercar looking Lexus thing, I forgot what it was called, like the LC 500 or something like that. And we're actually gotta go slow because we have a problem. So the right wheel is literally running on like 3 studs, or not 3 studs, on three lug nuts. So unfortunately my lug nuts, 2 of them, not even, like 3 or 4 of them have stripped. I don't even know how. I don't know how that, honestly I don't know how that happened, but they stripped. So what I did was I took a couple, I took one from the rear, I took one from the rear right, one from the rear left, put them there, like I swapped them out. So I'm running like literally on the rear right like 4 lug nuts that are good, and the other one probably the same thing, whatever. But yeah, that's probably on like literally three freaking lug nuts that are actually holding on for dear life. So we're gonna go slow. We're taking it slow, nice and easy, at least until tomorrow. We did order new lug nuts. They actually came today. They're at home, so I gotta show you guys that. They're gonna be pretty cool. I asked you guys, should I go spike or no spikes, and you guys said no spikes, but I gotta show you what I went with.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
All right, so we actually made it. They actually got a couple things going on here, like Civics and all that. So, but it's fine parking, cause oh, perfect right there. I love backup cameras, man. Make your life so much easier. Is this dude doing an engine swap? Yo, he does everything, I'm telling you. This guy's doing, I don't know, it looks like he's doing an engine swap. Bro, aren't you supposed to be doing splitters? Nah, he does everything, guys, I'm telling you. If you guys like close by or whatever, you need anything done from like suspension, everything, he can do it for you. So let's see what he's working on. Come on. Engine swap?
Yeah, bro.
Yo, what's going on, bro? Trying to show people that you can do anything, man.
Been at this since yesterday. Thankfully, I'm almost done. I'm just putting everything back together at this point.
We're gonna wait for him real quick. Let me see, which one is it? I'm gonna show you guys. Look, you see it? It just doesn't twist. Like I go and it just doesn't twist. So I think we're on 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this one, yeah, this is dangerous. This is sketchy as hell. Damn, dirty ass car. So this is what, guys, don't mind the dirty car. I still gotta wash. It's been raining all day, but this is what you guys been asking for. So we're gonna get the template, guys. Splitter by Pepin will have this. He's the only one that will have this available for you guys. This same design, same style, that goes straight with this. So Damn, she thick. Look at that. Look at those hips. So we still gotta come back. We gotta fix this. So he gotta do this one to match that. And we got something else. Once we get that, we got something else coming for it. So, but we gotta get this first. And we gotta get a wash. Come on, guys. Comment down below. Just imagine 6-piece swap with some boost, a big old turbo. Jesus, I don't even think a GTR is gonna be safe.
Sí, porque de verdad que demasiado de mucha gente ya me ha pedido esto.
Really?
And I always have to say no because I don't have the template, but
Yeah.
you gotta have the template now.
Well, you guys see it right now. He's doing the template. So many of you guys have been asking for this. So right now he's gonna have it. So just hit him up. Like I told you, splitter by Pepin. And you guys already see the drawing. You're gonna be looking just like me.
Yes, sir.
So just hit him up. He's ready. He has it. All you gotta do is make it and ship it out anywhere in the US, right?
Yes, sir.
Anywhere in the US, yep.
Anywhere in the US or anywhere in the world, honestly.
Yeah, honestly, anywhere in the world. Cause I know some of you guys are like not even in the United States. You guys are from different other countries, like in Europe and like places like Pakistan and things like that. And it's crazy. I didn't even know they had Maximas over there, but
Damn.
It makes me happy, you know.
Hell yeah.
But you see, template right here.
If you guys want this front, let him know, comment on his thing. Let him know that you guys want it. Depending on how many people want it, we'll take it off, make it, and ship it out to whoever wants it.
There you go. Just let him know. Well, probably no engine swap. He won't do an engine swap. It was just that one car for a customer. He takes care of his customers. That's a good thing that he has. So it's just probably just for him. But you know, suspension work, anything you guys need, you guys can come to him. But I'm gonna show you. Oh, it's right here. Check this out. Look at this wide body GTR. Let's see if you guys see it. Ooh, that thing is nice. I hope you guys got a glimpse of that because that looks really, really good. But yeah, that's it. He got the template. So guys, hit him up. If you already hit him up again because now he has a template. You guys can have it. So I know on eBay and all that, there's like, it's not, they don't have the good ones. You know, they just have that little skinny one that reaches like half the corner and it's like sticking out. It looks awkward. All right, let's see if we can make it, but we got to get some gas. And we have time, so. Oh, three-wheeling. Huh, 91, 93, 91, 93, 91, 93, 91. Let's save some money. Alright, comment down below. What's your guys' guess? How much you guys think I'm gonna spend? So far we're at almost 4 gallons. 4 gallons, 15 bucks. I give it $50. Ooh, I was close. 45 bucks. Let's squeeze it out. Should we leave it there? Nah, let's go 48. Gotta keep it even. What the hell is that? Hondas. Almost. No drip on the paint. Hand sanitizer, guys. Use your hand sanitizer. That is so easy. Look at that. If only I could do that. Shoot, just open my door and put gas in the back. Slowly, there's like a little bump. And we're trying to piss him off because he's like super close to me, so. Like, damn lady. I don't even know if it's a lady or a dude. We trespassing this block. Hey, damn. Why are you so close to me? People in Orlando here, man. They can't drive for shit. I'm gonna leave it here with my Christmas tree on the dash. Now we gotta get that fixed. We gotta get the new sensor for the wheel, and we gotta get the other sensor that's like open circuit or whatever for that one. It was just like a quick vlog, you know, just taking the car. And I want to tell you guys, you know, that literally the splitters are available. You guys already heard him about the front splitter, and he has the template for the rear corner. So guys, hit him up so you can get that. And it was just a quick vlog, show you guys honestly like how boring my life is. It's not even. Stay tuned for the next videos. So we're gonna be doing the control arm on the car. We're gonna be doing a couple other things, and I gotta show you guys something. So, but yeah, that's it. That's the end of it. So I'm gonna catch you guys later. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. Peace. Tell me how rare those cars are. That's an SS. Those things are mad rare. I think I know him. I know the dude. He said he wants to push about 850 to the wheel on that car. So I think right now he's like at 5 to the wheel, and I think he wants to push like 800. So peace.